Have you recently found yourself in a plumbing mess and had to call an expensive plumber to remedy your problem because you just don't know where to start? Well, hopefully, after my demonstration speech today, you won't have to call that expensive plumber back again. Today, I would like to go over how to properly cut, measure, and crimp together 2 pieces of PEX pipe in the fitting that you need for your application. A few things you're going to need before you get started today is a crimp tool. This is a ratcheting one that takes cinch rings. You're also going to need a pipe cutter, ratcheting as well. You have to make straight cuts on the pipe, so it's important to have a proper pipe cutter. You need a marker and a tape measure. You're also going to need the fitting of your choice. Today I have a few with me. There's many more, but just a few common ones are a male adapter that you can screw into male pipe threads. I've got a T that's used to join 3 pieces of PEX pipe together. And I've got an elbow that's used to make a bend, a 90-degree bend in the pipe itself. And I've got a female adapter here that can screw onto male pipe threads. And I've got just a coupling to join 2 pieces of pipe together. You also have to have the cinch ring that matches your cinch tool. This one is the cinch type. They make a clamp round type, and they also make push fitting type. And you'll need the pipe itself. So first, to get started, you'll want to measure your application out to your set measurement. And let's say I want to do 3 inches, so I'll take my marker and mark it right at 3 inches. Set that to the side. Make a proper cut using your cutting tool, because it has to be square for it to make a watertight connection. Just cut right through the pipe. Make sure it's square. Once it's in 2 pieces, you'll want to take your pipe, place your cinch ring of your choice onto the pipe, then place the fitting of your choice. Today I'm going to use a 90. Push that into the pipe to where it's perfectly seated. Slide your cinch ring up to where about 1/8 of an inch of pipe is showing in between the band and the fitting itself. Take your crimp tool. There's a square notch in here, and then the cinch ring has a square notch in here that you want to place together. And you'll want to start crimping until this blue light activates on here. I'll show you guys that. That means that the process is complete and you can release it and let go. And you'll want to do the same to the other side. Slide your ring on there, place your pipe on there, crimp your fitting on there. That turns blue and you know it's watertight. And that completes the process on how to join 2 pieces of PEX pipe together in a 90-degree bend. And it's the same process for all the fittings that I've shown here today. Well, quick summary is I've showed you how to properly measure your pipe and then cut it at a square cut and join it together in the fitting that you need. In closing, I hope that you guys don't have to call back that expensive plumber again to help solve your plumbing